All right, so today we're going to fix one of my longtime pet peeves on our 2003 Yukon Denali. And that is
Light.
the, that's my buddy Blake. Thanks, Blake. Can you point to the part we're going to change today, Blake?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're going to change out that D pillar, which has always been a bit of a sore point for me on the GMT 800. We're going to go to the smooth Escalade-style D pillar, which we've got right here. We were lucky enough to, well, I've been looking for quite a while, found a black set so we don't even have to do any paint. Right, Blakey?
Mm-hmm.
And my little man here is also going to do all the work for us today, aren't you?
Why did you call me little man?
Because you are my little man. Yeah. Anyways, he's excited to get into it here. So why don't we just jump right in?
Yeah.
Are you ready, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. All righty. Blake here is removing this 7mm bolt for us. Good work, buddy. Just keep it up.
It's almost out.
Okay. Now we've got that 7mm screw out, and we're just going to gently persuade this panel off. All right, Blakey, you ready?
Yeah. So what's next? What is that?
We need to gently encourage this panel that's been on here a long time to release. All right, with a little bit of persuasion, we were able to get the old one off.
Yep.
Just going to tidy it up a little bit here, and we'll pop the new one on.
Let me see.
Right, buddy?
Yay. Let me see. What does it look like? Wait a second.
All righty, so we have got our new one sort of set into almost place, and now we just got to push it in, and little man is going to fasten it down for us. All righty. Make sure all the tabs are lined up nice.
And that one
We're going to have to go...
under there.
Yeah, there we go. Under there. Sorry. Get all lined up nice under the door. Make sure that tab's lined up and these tabs are all lined up.
I got the bolts.
And
I got the bolt, Dad.
all righty, I think we can just push her into place. Blake, you want to come give that a good push?
Oh, okay. That is just gonna push, push, push. Or it'll bonk me in the head. Got that? Yes. Now time to screw the bolt.
We're not all the way in here, sweetie.
Huh.
So let me give it a little shove. All right, so now we've got that all pushed into place, and Blake is just tightening up the bolt, aren't you, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. And already, look at that. What a huge improvement. Does that ever look better? I am loving it. $100 is all we spent, $100. Alrighty, so now we're just jumping in on the other side. My boy Blake is just undoing the bolt. And then we'll persuade these old D-pillar covers off. And, I mean, look at that. Night and day. That's good work, sweetie. Alrighty, let me give you a hand there. All right, the 7mm fastener's out. We just have to persuade this old panel off. This one, right, Blakey?
Yeah.
And then we'll push the new one into place. All right, this one's coming off a little easier than the previous one. A little hard to do one-handed. Can you hold that, bud? And point it at this? Right there. There we go. Old one off. We'll clean it up a little bit and pop the new one into place.
Spray it.
All right, we got that into place, and Blake's just tightening down the fastener. And again, already, I know about the paint. Out, it stings, but look at this, like night and day. Huge improvement. Alrighty, so we have finished up the upgrade. Blake, why don't you show off the work you did? Look at that. Is that not 1,000% better? That nice smooth look. Color matches good enough, if not great. Escalade D pillars installed. Huge improvement. You like it better, Blake? I know you liked the bumpy ones. What do you think now that it's installed?
I do like both.
You like both?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Because the sides, look at these ones.
Yeah, the vent on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty cool. I think it looks good. They're window visors.
Now can I put on the sand?
Do you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Okay. We're here at the beach, and Blake, now that he's done a lot of work, is ready to go play in the sand. So we'll catch up with you next time. Thanks for watching.